Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can earn free BTC and up to free $1,000 in just 7 days with the BITGET Launchpool. Now, in case you don't know, some weeks ago I made a similar video on how to earn free Bitcoin every 1 hour with BITGET Launchpool, and some people took advantage of the opportunity and earned free Bitcoin for themselves. And some people complained that they saw the video late after the promotion was over. Now, if you are seeing this video very early, you are lucky because you have the advantage of earning free Bitcoin and free money for yourself. So I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do this in this video. So if you're interested in any free money or free Bitcoin for yourself, and show you what this video to the end so you don't miss any important part of this video. Now, before I go on, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now to how you can earn free Bitcoin and free money in just 7 days with the BITGET Launchpool. Now, as you can see on the screen, recently an announcement was made from the BITGET team that there will be a BITGET Launchpool activity where people can enter to win free Bitcoin. Now, as you can see on the screen, BITGET Launchpool is live. 3 BTC prize to win. Start with Bitcoin. Now, if you come down here, you see stake as low as $1 and get hourly return. This means that you can enter this launch pool activity with as low as $1 and you get free Bitcoin every 1 hour. And this will be going on from November 24, 7 a.m. to November 30, 7 a.m. Now, before I show you guys the steps on how to enter this to earn free Bitcoin for yourself, let me explain to you guys what launch pool simply means. Now, launch pool is an activity where you put in your money or you stake your money in a crypto project to earn free money for yourself. The free money can be in form of any cryptocurrency, maybe in Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or BGB, or any kind of cryptocurrency. Now, for this example, we are going to be given BTC as the reward. Now, how do you enter or how do you participate in this BITGET Launchpool activity? Now, as you can see on the screen, the first thing is to log into your BITGET account and pass your KYC verification. Now, in case you don't have a BITGET account, use the first link in the description of this video to create a BITGET account so you can get discounts on your trading fees. Now, once you create a BITGET account with my link in the description, you do your KYC verification with any ID that you have. Now, once you've done that, you go to your home page menu and select N, then you select Launch Pool. And then the third step is to choose your preferred pool and select Stake Now. Now, let me go to my BITGET account and show you all of these steps. Now, this is my BITGET account right here. Now, once you've logged into your BITGET account, you come here to where you have N at the top of the screen right here, and you go straight to where you have Launch Pool. And once you tap on Launch Pool, it will bring you straight to the BITGET Launchpool page. So you can see right here, enjoy yield farming and staking rewards flexibly and securely. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to be seeing the project that you can stake in to earn free Bitcoin. And as at the time of making this video, the project right now that you can stake in is the BGB project. And you can see right here, BGB pool is 3 BTC. This means that they'll be giving out 3 Bitcoin for this launch pool. Now, right here, you can read the white paper of this project. You can also go to the website and read all about this project. And if you want to know the rules to join this launch pool, you tap on where you have rules right here. And to bring you right here to the announcement center where you can read the rules for this launch pool activity. So right here, you see all the information about this project. So if you scroll down right here, you see everything that you need to know. So you can see stake with as low as $1 in BGB to share the prize pool every 1 hour. Like I said earlier, you get your free BTC every 1 hour. And also you can see the campaign period is from November 24, 7 a.m. to November 30, 7 a.m. which is for 7 days. And if you come straight to where you have how to earn your reward, so the first thing is to trade BGB, or you buy BGB on the spot trading page on BITGET. So once you have BGB, then you can go straight to the next thing. Then number 2 is the staking token. So the token you are staking is BGB. So which means that you need to buy BGB. So it's simple to buy BGB on the platform. Just go to the spot trading page and buy BGB with your USDT. And number 3 is the BGB pool, which is 3 BTC. Like I said earlier, they'll be giving out 3 BTC for this project. And number 4, the lowest staking value is 5 BGB, which is approximately $1. And number 5 is highest staking volume is unlimited. That means the highest amount of money you can stake is unlimited. So you can stake as high as you want. So let me come back to the BITGET Launchpool page. So you can see right here that this activity is starting in the next 19 hours as at the time of making this video. So let's say, for example, I want to take part in this activity. Since it's not yet open, I'll come here to where I have remind me, and then I'll tap on remind me. So when this Launchpool activity is starting, I'll be given a notification so I can come and stake my money right here. Now, before you go, you need to also know about the terms and conditions for this Launchpool activity. So let's go back to the announcement page. So if you come to the announcement page right here, so this is also the announcement page. So you can see where you have terms and conditions. So you can see number 1 is that participants are required to complete KYC in order to participate in the stake to earn campaign. So you can see, like I said earlier, you must do your verification before you can do this. Number 2 is that users can stake or unstake at any time. This means that you can stake at any time and you can unstake at any time. So you don't have to be scared that you wait until 7 days before you can withdraw your money. If you want to withdraw your money after just 3 days or 4 days, you are good to go. But I would advise that you leave it for the whole 7 days so you can get maximum profit. Number 3 is rewards to be calculated from the second hour and automatically credited to your spot account every hour thereafter. So for those of you that will be saying, where will I get my profit or where will I get the free Bitcoin? It will be transferred automatically to your spot wallet. And number 4 is credited rewards may be delayed. Now, let's for example, after 1 hour, you're not seeing your reward. You can just wait a little while for even maybe some minutes to get your rewards. But minimum of 1 hour, you will get your profit or your rewards in your wallet. Number 5 is other token rewards will be sent to the winner's spot account within 7 days from when the Launchpool campaign ends. So for example, maybe after the whole 7 days, they can still send you other token rewards to your account. And number 6 is all participants must strictly adhere to BITGET terms and conditions. So you must adhere to all these terms and conditions. Number 7 is in case of cheating or using multiple accounts for rewards or other illegal behaviors, BITGET reserves the right to disqualify the users involved and forfeit their reward. So if you're using like multiple accounts because you want to get like a lot of money, they are going to forfeit or disqualify you. Number 8 is BITGET reserves the right to amend or revise the terms of this event or cancel this event. Sure. Number 9 is BITGET reserves the right to make the final decision regarding this event. And number 10 is users whose KYC identification is in mainland China, South Korea, Singapore are not allowed to participate in this Launchpool. So these are the terms and conditions you need to adhere to for this Launchpool activity. So it's as simple as that. All you need to do, like I said again, create your account in my link in the description below. To verify your account with your ID. Once you verify your account, come straight to the Launchpool page after you've bought your BGB and come right here and stake. For the next 7 days, you'll be earning free Bitcoin into your spot wallet. It's as simple as that. And also the money you are staking, you can get everything back after you unstake. So it's not like as if the money you are staking, they're taking it. No, you'll be getting the money you are staking back and also be getting your free Bitcoin in your spot wallet. So let me know if you have any questions about this in the comment section. And also if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.